Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelson Elizabeth, and in this video I'm going to show you how to test a transistor. First of all, a transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. In these transistors we have the bipolar junction transistors, or the BJT, and under these we are having two types. As you can see mine here, I'm having the NPN transistor and the PNP transistor. How do I know that this one is a NPN transistor? It has a part number of 1301, and also this PNP transistor has a part number of C90515. It's C9015 as it is shown here. So today I'm specifically talking about the NPN transistor, and for it, it has the active base. That is, if I put it in that format, the image shows it has the active base, the collector, and then the emitter. So during the testing part, we are mainly targeting on identifying the active base, the collector, and then the emitter. So in our testing, in the demonstrations today, we are going to use a multimeter. The first step, as always, is turning on our multimeter. So today we are going to use the digital multimeter set in the diode mode, since NPN transistors are switched on by a small positive voltage at the base or the active base. So we have set our multimeter in the diode mode, as you can see here. So I'll get my NPN transistor, and the red probe, that is the positive. So the red probe is placed on one of these three pins of our transistor. So I'll place my red probe here. Then the common probe, this is the common probe, is tested on these remaining two pins, as you can see. So in case our multimeter does not bring any recordings, there it shows that it's still on 1, we move the red probe onto the next pin, and with that we'll use the common probe to test again on these two pins. As you can see on our multimeter, it's still showing that we haven't found the active base. So I will move my red probe to the next pin, and then I will connect my common probe. So on my multimeter, it's showing that we have found our active base. So as you can see the figures, we shall move the common probe to the next pin, and this one is having 218 volts. This one is having 218 volts, and this one is having 222 volts. Thus, the base of the NPN transistor here is indicated as you are seeing. Once you press the common probe, now it can give the readings. The remaining two pins, after identifying our active base, these remaining two, they are the collector and the emitter. From these pins, the emitter has the larger voltage drop than the collector. So to identify which one is the emitter and the collector, you will have to press here. This one is having 217, and then this one has this one has 222. It has 200. So according to our readings here, it shows that the emitter has a larger voltage drop than this collector. Are you seeing the other one is in 215 volts and this one is in 213 volts. Okay, thank you for watching. That is all with today's video.